vlog. Look who I'm with. These two ladies. And I overslept. We were going to try to go to
Everyone's shocked. She's usually a 5 a.m.er. Yeah.
I was like, why is it 10? I swear we were gonna go to breakfast at like 9. We were gonna try to go to the Friendly Toast, but Taylor doesn't have enough time because she's working at noon today. And so we're gonna go to Tate because that's always really quick. And I'm gonna vlog today because it's gonna be really fun. Me and Hannah are gonna have a day because Taylor works 12 to 8, which she normally doesn't do. Hopefully we can go to South Beach or Cabo. That's what we call our pool.
Oh my god, I was completely That's definitely not a part of us. Honey.
And I'm making Hannah work out with me with my
honey. Like instead of honey, you say honey. Like kind of like Hennessy, but
it's a new thing.
It's like, I love you, honey.
I haven't had a chocolate croissant in so long and I miss it. Guys, this Tate is so busy, but it was so good. Yum. I haven't been to Tate in forever. Yeah, how was your guys' salads for breakfast?
Good. They were good. They were not completely
It
raw.
looked good. It looked good. And with the egg.
It was like summer veggie bowl.
Yeah, that was mean. Wait, I like that bathing suit top. Is it new?
No.
I like it. It's cute. It's nice because it's hot and sunny, but not too hot. Like last weekend was 100 million degrees. It was so bad. We came out here, I know, and we were like roasting. But here we are. Oh, and fun fact, these bathing suit bottoms, Dara got Lucy, but they were small and they were like too small in her butt. So then he was like, here, Merry Christmas, and then got her like mediums. So thanks, Dara. And then I didn't have a top to go with, so I just have this like random white top, but I like them. They're cold board in case you're wondering, and they're like mesh right here. They're so fun. We had a good time at the pool. Really just took photos for like a half an hour, but they turned out so cute. I love them. And now we're going to work out with Mike. And I'm so excited because Luis is coming and Hannah.
I'm gonna do a pull-up.
They're gonna do so good. And I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'm not gonna for like the longest time because I'm so scared people are gonna be like, you have bad form, you suck. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm just not ready because this is all new for me. So I'm not a pro in any way. But I'll see you when we get back. Was a D1 athlete who can barely do a pull-up. I had the funnest workout with Mike, you guys. And I made the yummiest. Look at my hair.
I need to repost it.
We made the yummiest strawberry banana smoothie. Okay, you guys, I showered, put on comfy, cozy sweat. I was trying to say like a sweatpant outfit. Sweatshirt, sweatpants. And perfect timing, you guys, because I wanted to show you guys my furniture again. I feel like I obviously talked about it so much when it got delivered, but I wanted to show you guys more of like the setup now and then other apartment furniture and stuff that's going on in our apartment. So the reason this is perfect timing is because Hannah is staying with us, and if I didn't tell you guys before, I think I did, but this couch is actually the sleeper couch, which I love so much, and they're the same style of couch, but just this one is a sleeper and this one is normal. And I want to say it's the Burton Geo sleeper sofa and normal sofa. I'm about to check in a second just so I can be totally sure, because I just want to show you guys how we have it now. And I remember telling you guys we got too much furniture that didn't fit and that we didn't need, and Court made it so easy and literally picked it up like the next day, which was so clutch. This is so nice having this pulled out. I'm gonna pull it out more often and just lounge on it. But I just wanted to tell you guys really quick, if you remember, like I said before, Court is literally like the OG of furniture rental. And like I said, my friend's mom, that's why I like trusted it, because my friend's mom literally used it for the longest time when she had an apartment that she just didn't buy furniture for yet, and used like this furniture rental service. And they are so awesome, you guys. If you remember when we got our furniture delivered, they were in and out in like 10-15 minutes. They were just like literally pros and obviously like professionals at their job, and set it up so quick and easy. And it was so easy, like it was such a quick turnaround. I remember ordering it on a Wednesday and they literally came that Saturday and brought it. Like, I was just so impressed with how quick it could come, because we've been wanting furniture for so long. So then finally, as we figured out exactly what pieces we wanted, it literally came 3 days later, which was so nice. And they just came, like I said, I want it in the morning. They came in the morning. worked out perfect. When you guys are done with your furniture rental, you literally just, again, pick like a day and time that works for you, and it's just so convenient, and they'll come and scoop it. And so you don't even have to do anything. Like, they set it up for us, which was so nice. And like I said, for us, it's just made so much sense right now because we know we're only going to be in this apartment for a year, and we were getting so stressed with like how expensive furniture is and stuff. Hannah, you know, like moving around apartments when you're young is so freaking annoying for furniture.
Very annoying.
Didn't you? Hannah got lucky.
Want a new vibe.
Yeah, Hannah got lucky in the apartment she moved into. I remember the people leaving like left a couch that they got to buy for super cheap, but we just like didn't have that option. So that's why furniture rental made so much sense for us in this moment of life, and we could make it like a 12-month long thing, which just worked out so well. And I remember, and this I feel like is good information for you guys to know, if you are interested, the rental term, like the longer you do it, the cheaper it is across each month, which I feel like makes sense. So if you're just renting it like for a couple months, it'll be more expensive each month than it is if you do it over a long period of time. So you end up saving money if you keep the furniture longer, is what I'm saying. And these couches are so freaking nice, you guys. They literally came with the tags on them, like brand new, and they're just amazing. Like, they're so cozy, and we fall asleep on them every day because they're too comfortable. And like I said, well, this I didn't say before, I'll have Court link down below if you guys are interested. I know a bunch of you were DMing me that you actually use them and have them and stuff, and like I said, it's literally all over the US, like not just Boston. So look and see, like they're probably in your city if you guys are interested. Like I was saying before, it was so nice, and we weren't even expecting obviously that this was gonna happen, but they literally came like the next day to pick up our furniture, made it so simple, like in and out in 2 minutes, and just picked up the pieces that we couldn't use. Okay, you guys, I literally just looked it up to make sure. Like I told you, I knew it. This is the Burton Geo sofa, and as you can see, it's like $37 a month, which is nuts. And that's for the normal one without the sleeper, and then like I said, this one is a sleeper. And obviously it normally doesn't look like this and takes up our whole living room, but just right now because it's pulled out. So those are the two couches. And then this one, I literally remember, you guys, it's called the s'mores like side table, and we actually had the coffee table as well, but we decided we just wanted this open, for example, so we could pull this out. And yeah, we just thought that we wouldn't use it and didn't really need it, so that's why they took that, and it felt like a little bit too small for our space, so they made it so easy. Like I said, they literally picked it up the next day. And then we had that big like media console, the white one, which was really nice on its own if we didn't try to squish these two couches in here. So they took that back as well because it literally touched this couch and looked really freaky. But the media console itself was so nice. And I remember it was like the Bianca cabinet. Hi, Han. And then we hung this TV. When we had the furniture that we knew we couldn't fit anymore and we were going to return, we put it right here. The console actually fit perfect in this little thing, and we thought about leaving it here, but we really like just throwing our shoes on the ground right there, so we had them take that. Like I said, it was very easy. Thank you, Court. And then also they took the other table, which we put like over here before they took it. You guys remember my little alpaca? This was from a little market in New York. Churro is his name, if you remember. Hi, Soul Cycle.
Hi, Soul.
We're going to Chipotle, everyone! Guys, I know you're all dying to know, but Max just won his Fortnite game. So we're in the presence of a champion. And also, no more waiting. We are going to Chipotle. Oh, I just said that. I'm just really excited because I'm really hungry.
Do you want a berry berry?
I don't think like sour worms are for me.
What? I for you.
I go with sour worm.
I'm like, so close.
I could probably catch it.
Oh, we don't want to see that.
Yeah.
Guys, Luis is gonna do a round off back handspring.
No way I would ever.
I thought you were gonna do it. Oh, Hannah doesn't have her phone. Bye. Too hard? Can you just do a cartwheel? Or something fun for us?
A round off.
I'll do something fun.
Whoa! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! I like forget that you did gymnastics completely.
Today she went to her and she was like in shock.
Yeah, I really am. Is that called a back walkover? Guys, we're at this new Chipotle I've never been to. Have you been to this one? What are you covering with your hand?
Nothing.
Yum! And we always eat tortillas on the side, life hack. And sometimes salad dressing is good. He likes a lot of it. I'll do like a drop of it, but yes. So next time we're at Chipotle, get a tortilla on the side and try the salad dressing on it because it's really freaking good. There's Louisa. I usually do just use your leftover salad dressing. Wait till you see her bowl. If you guys saw my vlog before, you remember. Okay, ready for the grand reveal? Show them what it is. Are you still gonna be hungry after, girl?
No.
Ooh, chicken and rice. Like, it looks good. I just would get more from here. What did Hannah get? A burrito? Who even knows? Oh, Merry Christmas!
Come here, little girl.
I'm so scared. Okay, also, you guys,
Come
I
sit
just
on Santa's lap.
so scared. Hannah, come look at his face.
What would you like for
He goes,
Christmas?
come sit on Santa's lap.
You've been bad this year.
You're getting cold.
Wait,
You're
why?
getting cold.
Why is Santa country all of a sudden?
He's old Western.
Old Saint Hick.
Okay, guys, I ordered from Geraghty again. Surprise, surprise, because they're still having their sale. And
Shocker.
everybody says that my new dress looks like a nightgown.
Not a dress.
Max and Louisa are like, that's not a dress, it's a nightgown. But Taylor really likes it. Throw belts in there. And I have it in gray and I love it, so I ordered the pink one. And you know what? Who cares what anybody else thinks, because I love it. So there. Bah. That scared me. Guys, Max is all packed. It takes him 2 seconds to pack. Oh, we're going to the Outer Banks in the morning. I don't think I said that, or I think I said it was gonna be a surprise or something, because I still haven't said it, I don't think. We're going to the Outer Banks in the morning. Max,
We're going to the Outer Banks in the morning?
We're going to the Outer Banks in the morning!
Surprise.
And Max packed in like 2 seconds, and I just can't even fathom packing right now because it seems really hard. So who's like Max and who's like me? I can't do it, it's too hard. Okay, we're all leaving to go get a drink really quick. It's 9:30, we're literally grandparents about to go to bed. But we're gonna just go get a drink across the street at this place we've always wanted to go to. And this dress is from Princess Polly, you guys. It's so cute. I've been packing for the last like hour or whatever, and I think I'm pretty much good. This is what I'm packing for the Outer Banks. That suitcase is massive and it's legit full. And I'm gonna bring this, but I'm just gonna wear it right now really quick. And then my favorite mules, you guys already know that I got and that are really hard to find, but they're living without me. Let's go. Come and look at this menu. It's like cute. Like there's pictures and stuff. Max, where's the one that you get? One. Max gets Chad Loves Vodka. So good. I just get my mule. We literally all ate Chipotle minus Taylor, who had work. So it makes sense. And she got the smallest meal. She got like a little hummus. I think we all got Chipotle except for you. And then everyone's still eating their second dinners. What is that, a cheese?
A piece of cheese.
I don't know if I want that. I could eat a fry. What's on there?
Sun-dried tomatoes.
Onions? Thanks for joining with me with my day. What? Thanks for joining me on my journey today. Thanks for coming along in today's adventures.
What are you yapping about?
I'm just saying like thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And coming along with me today.
See you next time.
See you guys in my next video. Again, Core will be linked down below. Obviously, I would recommend for all the reasons I said earlier. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.